Are you guys gatekeeping this free live TV streaming app from us? Because this is the first time I have ever seen Google TV FreePlay. It has never popped up on any of my streaming devices before, but I got the new ONN 4K stick, and when I turned it on, there was Google TV FreePlay. Now, it does not work without a VPN, so if you are outside the US and you see this on your device, it should be on Android TV 14 devices and Google TV devices. You will need a VPN to connect it. We will talk about that in just a moment, but this thing is actually pretty crazy. I opened it up for the first time and I could not believe how many channels were on here. It actually has a wide selection. I looked it up and it can be over 250 channels depending on your location. They are all nicely organized on the left-hand side. Reality TV like crazy, Fear Factor, horror, sci-fi, movies, westerns, and classic TV. It literally has everything, including college basketball, sports, and lacrosse championships. You can go all the way up to about a 6-hour cap on how far the guide goes. The guide is actually pretty long. Combat sports and all this stuff is available directly on here. Let me know down below in the comments, do all your Google TV devices have this app from the start? What I wanted to see is if we can go into the apps menu. This is called Google TV FreePlay. Is it available in the App Store? Is this just an app that is installed automatically? This is the first time I have seen it, despite having an ONN device in the past. I do want to check if this is available in the Google Play Store. It does not look like it. Can I uninstall this, or is this just one of those apps that are forever on your device? We are going to head to settings here, and then I want to show you how you can watch it if you are not in the US. Let us see. I do not actually see Google FreePlay anywhere here. It seems like the only way to get it is to have it stock installed on your device. If we go into System Apps here, let us go down until we find Google. There is Google TV. It is just an app that is always there. Again, this is my first time ever seeing this. It seems like because I set up my Google TV device to believe I am in the US, I was able to get it. Now, I am going to show you what happens when I turn off my connection. Right now, I am using a 2.4 GHz hotspot with the VPN in order to get this connection. But I am going to switch back to my regular local connection. What I want to show you is that if you live outside the US, you cannot actually watch it. Even though it is installed, it will basically just forever load. Oh, that is what the Free TV button takes you to. Free TV, that is what it is for. Now we are getting somewhere, and I am putting the pieces together. But if you live outside the US, you are going to get a loading screen. So what I wanted to see is, will it work with just a normal VPN? Let us see if this will work with just our VPN app turned on. Let us type it in. You will be able to follow this trick in order to also get Google TV FreePlay. Perfect. Our goal here is to see if this Google TV FreePlay will work with just a standard VPN app on, instead of a full network bypass which creates a hotspot off the VPN. It always works way better when you do it that way. We are going to find out here in a second. We will let this load up here. We are going to open it up. We are all logged in now, and I want to go to a US server here. Let us find the United States. We are all connected. Now, I want to go back to that Google TV FreePlay and let us see if this will work. I will click the Free Live TV. Does it work with a VPN is the question here. It actually will work with a VPN. You can use a standard VPN app with it. That is good to know. What that means is if you live anywhere else and you want to access Google TV FreePlay, you just need a VPN. I was surprised with how many live channels it has. I have never heard of this one before on TechVibes. It has a ton of content, which really surprised me. If you enjoyed discovering this new app with TechVibes, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Drop a comment below and let me know if you are going to try this.